Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital kitchen timers. Whether you're looking to perfect your cooking, manage your workouts, or just keep track of time, these timers are designed to make your life easier. We've reviewed 5 of the best digital kitchen timers on the market, ranking them from 5th to 1st, so you can find the one that best suits your needs. All the product links are in the description below. So, let's get started. At number 5, we have the Taylor Digital Timer. This compact and budget-friendly timer is a great entry-level option for anyone who needs a basic yet reliable device for their kitchen or other timing needs. With a maximum countdown time of 99 minutes and 59 seconds, it's versatile enough for tasks like baking, boiling, and meal prep. It also doubles as a stopwatch, adding some flexibility to its functionality. The design is small and lightweight, making it easy to store or carry. It features a 0.75-inch display, which, while not the largest on this list, is clear enough to read from a short distance. The timer comes with a handy clip, a stand, and a magnet, giving you multiple placement options. Whether you want to stick it on your fridge, clip it to your apron, or set it on a countertop, the Taylor timer adapts to your workspace. In terms of performance, it's straightforward to use, making it ideal for those who prefer simplicity. However, it lacks advanced features like adjustable volume levels or memory functions. At $8.06, it's a great value for those who just need the basics, but it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty use. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of use. On the downside, the smaller screen and lack of advanced features could be limiting for some users. Coming in at number 4, the AOUCE 2-pack digital kitchen timer is perfect for those who want more than one timer without breaking the bank. Each timer features a loud and clear alarm that can be heard from another room, making it great for busy households. The timers offer a countdown range of up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds, which is perfect for most kitchen tasks. The design is simple and functional, with large buttons and a bright digital display that's easy to read. The magnetic backing, retractable stand, and hanging hook give you flexible placement options, whether you want to attach it to your fridge, set it on a countertop, or hang it on a wall. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around as needed. In terms of usability, these timers are beginner-friendly and include a memory function, so you don't have to reset the countdown time for repeated tasks. However, the alarm automatically stops after 30 seconds, which may be a drawback for some users. Additionally, batteries are not included, so you'll need to purchase those separately. Overall, the AOUC timers are a solid choice for anyone looking for affordability, simplicity, and the convenience of multiple timers. Pros include their loud alarms, clear displays, and flexible placement options. Cons are the lack of included batteries and a shorter alarm duration. Taking the 3rd spot is the eTradewinds ET23 Digital Kitchen Timer, which stands out with its premium stainless steel design and thoughtful features. This timer is built to last, with a durable and stylish exterior that complements modern kitchens. It's equipped with a powerful neodymium magnet and anti-scratch foam, ensuring it stays securely attached to your fridge without leaving marks. The ET23 boasts a large, easy-to-read LCD display and an adjustable angle kickstand, making it convenient to use from various angles. It has a maximum countdown time of 99 minutes and 59 seconds, and its auto memory feature remembers your last setting, making it perfect for repeated tasks like brewing tea or timing workouts. The loud yet pleasant alarm ensures you won't miss the timer, even from another room. One standout feature is its energy-saving auto shutoff, which conserves battery life when the device is idle. It's powered by a single AAA battery, which is included for your convenience. While it's slightly more expensive than basic models, the combination of robust build quality, versatile features, and a lifetime warranty makes the ET23 a fantastic value. Pros include its premium design, strong magnet, and memory function. The only con is that it's slightly heavier than other models, but that's a small trade-off for its durability. In 2nd place, we have the vocoo Digital Kitchen Timer, a modern and user-friendly device that ticks all the right boxes. Its standout feature is its large, 3-inch LED display, which is ultra clear and perfect for easy viewing even from a distance. The sleek space gray design adds a touch of elegance, making it an attractive addition to your kitchen. Setting the timer is a breeze with its rotary dial, eliminating the need for small, fiddly buttons. This makes it an excellent choice for seniors, kids, or anyone who values simplicity. The timer offers adjustable alarm volumes, including a mute mode, so you can customize it to your preference. It also has 2 brightness levels, which help conserve battery life when needed. The vocoo timer is powered by 3 AAA batteries included and features a strong magnetic backing with silicone pads to prevent scratches. It's highly versatile, working equally well for cooking, workouts, or managing daily tasks. The only downside is its slightly higher price point compared to basic models, but the premium features and ease of use justify the cost. Pros include its large display, intuitive operation, and adjustable settings. The only con is that it's slightly bulkier than simpler models. This makes it an excellent choice for seniors, kids, or anyone who values simplicity. The timer offers adjustable alarm volumes, including mute mode, so you can customize it to your preference. It also has 2 brightness levels, which are conserve battery life when needed. Vocoo timer is powered by 3 AA batteries included, and it features a strong magnetic backing with silicone pads to prevent scratches. It's highly versatile, working with easy viewing, even from a distance. The only downside is its slightly higher price point compared to basic models. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the ThermoPro TMO2 digital timer, a top-of-the-line option for serious multitaskers. This timer features dual countdown timers, allowing you to manage 2 events simultaneously, perfect for complex meals or juggling multiple tasks. With a maximum duration of 24 hours, it's suitable for everything from slow cooking to lengthy study sessions. The ThermoPro TMO2 is built with a premium stainless steel jacket, giving it a sleek and durable finish. The 2.6-inch LCD display is backlit for easy reading in any lighting condition, and the adjustable alarm volume ensures you can tailor it to your environment. It also includes a silent mode for discrete timing. The built-in memory function saves your last settings, making it convenient for repeated tasks. Placement options abound with its tabletop stand and strong magnetic backing, and the included batteries mean you can start using it right out of the box. While it's slightly larger and heavier than other options, its robust feature set and reliable performance make it worth the trade-off. Pros include its dual timers, durable design, and versatile features. The only con is its higher price compared to simpler models, but For the functionality you're getting, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed review of the top 5 digital kitchen timers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these timers, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.